choose colors in my box. Red and blue and yellow socks. Green and purple, orange too. So many shades for me and you.